two trucks. What's going on here? Tell me about it.
One big truck, this one a piece of truck, and this one is pieces of the truck, Mommy.
It's a piece of the truck. What kind of truck is it? Is it broken?
It's two pieces truck.
Two pieces of trucks. They're...
One is this one in the truck. Let's show this. One this one, this one. There's a little bit bigger, it's like this big truck.
Oh, SpongeBob has to get a little bit bigger before he can drive the big truck.
This man has a truck like the truck.
Is the man going to stop and let SpongeBob drive?
And then stop. Man, the man stopped. So football.
That is pretty impressive with the choo-choo train on top, too. Where are they going to go?
Truck. The man has a truck. Just for that is the man.
SpongeBob's got to drive the man's truck.
This truck, help the man drive the truck.
He's going to help the man drive the truck. That's nice of SpongeBob.
And this man truck is also for the man truck.
He stopped for SpongeBob. Is it a red light?
That's it. Yeah,
So he's got to wait for SpongeBob.
oh, he said it.